We all enjoy DIY projects, and our bathroom remodel has been no exception. However, deciding to build our own bathroom vanity is going to require certain tasks that are normally done in well-equipped shops. If you're like us and don't have that big shop set up with all the major equipment, but still would like to do projects like building a vanity, we'll show you how we made use of our garage, driveway, and a few essential tools in order to accommodate building our vanity. To begin with, for that essential large table workspace, we decided to go with these very versatile heavy-duty steel folding sawhorses that do much more than your typical sawhorse. There's many brands out there that are similar, but we chose the Toughbuilt C700 sawhorse / Jobsite table for its flexibility. The C700 has a 1,300 pound capacity rating, so a pair of them will support 2,600 pounds. Height is adjustable from 25 to 32 inches, and the width is adjustable from 40 to 46 inches. The adjustable support arms are the feature that make this sawhorse so versatile. You can use 2x4s or 4x4s laid in the adjustable support arms that allow you to quickly frame a solid work table by placing plywood across the top of the sawhorses and the cross beams. Another feature are the flip-up supports that modify the depth of the end channels. Say you prefer to attach a sacrificial 2x4 on its side to the top of the sawhorses. This allows you to cut over the top of the sawhorses without damaging them. By flipping these supports up, the channel raises the height of the support wood to the height of the sacrificial 2x4 to maintain a level work table. Beyond all that, the C700 has these fold-out support pegs for holding and/or easy cutting of materials. When done with using these sawhorses, they fold up easily and take up very little space for storing them away. A few of the other tools that you need for building a vanity are a pocket hole jig, some clamps, a sander, a table saw, a miter saw, and possibly a router that you can combine with an inexpensive router table. Many table saws today are very portable, but our older model Craftsman table saw with its heavy metal frame and legs is not exactly easy to move around. So we bought these rolling casters for around $30 and made it effortless to move it from its stored location in the garage out to the driveway where sawdust is not a problem. We also bought a dust collection bag for the table saw and secured it with rare earth magnets glued to the snap caps instead of using the snap base and screws that are supplied with the collection bag. The miter saw can easily be set up as we did here. For its workspace, we used a piece of 3/4 inch plywood laid on top of our lightweight adjustable plastic folding sawhorses that we've had around here for many years. Again, we set up the miter saw outside in the driveway to avoid spreading sawdust throughout the garage. So there you have it, a brief look at how we went about setting up a workspace for building our bathroom vanity without having a dedicated workshop. Be sure to check out our video on cutting a straight edge on bowed wood without having a planer, along with all the other 22 videos in our bathroom model playlist here on our DIY Boomers channel. Also, come back to see the upcoming videos where we will be showing you the remainder of our bathroom vanity build and the finishing of our bathroom remodel. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.